A samurai? Oh my, I've not seen one of you in years.
The Shogun must be angry.
Yeah.
Please, Ebitsu, Tenjin, someone hear my cries.
Please, someone stop these men from hurting anyone else.
Another victim to the demon's cause. Rest well, my friend.
Hey, what we got here then?
Here, let's go.
You think you can take samurai? Let's go. Easy.
So you're the one who's trying to stop me taking over this art. I could bash you with this club easily.
In fact, I think I might.
Are you ready? Really? Take this!
Mediocre.
And there we go, ladies and gentlemen. That is my short movie. This movie took probably just about a week. I started the last Friday and almost non-stop with family, work and stuff, cracked on with it. It was an incredible thing to do, and it's really tested some skills that I didn't even know I had. I've learned a ton of new stuff. You may be looking at it going, why don't I spend some more time improving it, adding more features to it, adding camera shakes and stuff like that, learning about it. And the reason was, is something that I highlighted in my previous video, and something that I'm starting to try and take into this aspect. Is, did you know I've been doing games design for nearly 15, 16 years, something like that. It's an insane amount of time to do it. In the first 10 years, I never released anything. Nothing at all that anybody's seen. Tons of projects in Unity and other game engines, never released it once. And then I finally just clicked and I'm like, you know what? I'm going to release something. Doesn't matter if it's big or small. I'm just going to release something and see what happens. And I did. On my channel, I took part in a game jam. And I released a game and I got 8th place. Which is incredible. 10 years in, my first game, and I got 8th place for the first game I've released. And since then, I've been taking part in more jams and pushing more things out. They may not be 100% perfect. Deadlines set on it, it really goes to show what you can achieve. And as you saw with the whole movie, all, 2-3 minutes, whatever it is, everything I've done is animated by me or by a simple pack from the Epic Games Store. The vast majority of it are mocap animations. I've still got some stuff to figure out with that. The sequencer has been the key thing for everything I've done throughout all of this. And for the biggest one, all of the landscapes, has been proudly sponsored by Cinti Studios. Cinti Studios are one of my favourite companies to work with because all of their assets are in the same art style, so you can really mix and match and have so much fun with it. And we've partnered up and they sent me the Samurai Pack and a few others so I can make bits like this. And they've recently dropped their Sidekicks Cinti Packs. They're so good, you can mix and match them and really create modular characters, which is incredible. They teased the other day it is coming to Unreal soon, which is going to be even better. I've got an affiliate link in my description if you do want to purchase some things, just as a little kickback to the channel, which I would appreciate. If you'd like to see how this movie was made, subscribe, because I've got like 19 videos to edit together into one semi-decent video showing a bunch of the development process. Unfortunately, to the last days, I kind of dropped off recording, which sucks, but you'll be able to see everything from me setting the mocap up, starting to record animations, planning out how I'm doing it in Sequencer, and going with everything there. So there we go, ladies and gentlemen. A little bit of a different video, but it was something I wanted to test, because creating a short movie is going to make sure I can add some epic cutscenes into my games going forwards. Hopefully, they won't be as complicated as this, because some of these are absolutely insane with the way they stack together. But it works, and it's really good. I've learned lots of tips, which I will be sticking in a video soon, showing everything I learned to hopefully give you some cracking tips to make stuff like this yourself. So thank you for watching, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you liked it. If you'd like to see me make more short movies, please let me know, because Cinti has a ton of asset packs I'd love to start making short movies with like this, and each one's only ever going to get better. Or we could even try looking at a different asset pack and seeing what I'm like with metahumans or something. There's tons we can go. What would you improve with the cinematic? Would you have shortened it? Would you have made it longer and cut out some of the special effects? Remember, by trade, I'm a programmer, not an artist. So camera angles and stuff like that I've tried to figure out on my own. So if you know a certain point here and you know a better camera angle, absolutely let me know in the comments. I'll try it out. We'll all learn from it. It will be epic. Thank you for watching, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Decryption, and I will see you next time.